What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on the Honda S2000. I don't know when it was last serviced, but I definitely want to replace that if I'm going to be driving and the air is going to be circulating within the cabin. I know I can drive with the top down, but when I drive with the top up during rainy seasons, I don't want to breathe in dirty air. So I went ahead and went on Amazon. I purchased an air filter for about 10 bucks. It was free shipping, of course, Amazon Prime. It'll get here within a couple days. And here it is, brand new air filter. I was gonna buy one from Honda, but I didn't want to spend 30-40 bucks for it. It's just a little pricey. I figured just pay 10 bucks. It'll probably last maybe a little less than an OEM filter, but at least I can replace that 3 times over than an OEM filter. So to me, that's a no-brainer. So the one thing you need to know about the Honda S2000 compared to other cars, the cabin filter is actually located on the outside of the vehicle. It's underneath the cowl, right here by the windshield. Most cars is located underneath the dash on the passenger side. The fact that the design is on the outside of the car can only make you assume that it's going to get a lot dirtier than actually being inside the car. So let's go ahead and take this cabin air filter out and let's see how bad the filter actually looks. Right now, we're going to go ahead and remove this cowl. Not completely, just enough to go halfway up so you can get to the filter. So if you don't know, the filter is actually located right here and we need to get to that. The first thing I want to do is remove this rubber. This rubber is connected all the way through the plastic and into the metal, so that's the first thing we got to address. Usually you can get your finger underneath here with your fingernail, or you get some pliers and just pop it straight up. It may come loose. Very easy. If it comes loose, just put it back in so you don't lose it. Then there's going to be a third one. So right here in the corner, you see it says up. This is where you're going to pull up. You want to be very careful because you don't want to crack your windshield. That would really suck. I know there might be a couple push pins underneath here. So far there's one tab that's up. I think that's all we're going to need. Right off the bat, it is covered with junk. So this guy, whoever had it before me, did not replace this at all. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this whole entire panel out because this is not acceptable. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this. You gotta push this plastic tab on the bottom of the front here and it should release the whole entire unit. Stick my head in there and make sure everything's good. I don't know what the hell got in there, like a paper towel got stuck in there. There we go. There it is, both of them. Quite disgusting. There's actually a lot of junk inside of here. I'm gonna vacuum it up real well. On the bottom there's 3 tabs, so you're just gonna pry it out on the sides and push it through. And that should release the nasty filter. The difference is insane. Alright, so before I put this back, I definitely want to clean this up real nice. It's gonna be super easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray alcohol all over it and clean it up with a microfiber towel, and that should be good. Just want to make sure it's super clean and not dusty when I put the new one on. And once that's done, we can reinstall this thing. All right, let's put this back. All right, there you go. Brand new, looking really nice. Again, carefully lift this up. Just enough to get it through there. Use your fingers to kind of guide it into the little pocket that it sits in. Good to go. Make sure the back clip is in carefully. Get the rubbers, slowly press it down to lock it in place. And you're good to go.